Hey you guys, so I am back to do a video, an unboxing video for Influenster. And they're pretty much just a site that once you go on there and you answer questions like most websites do now, you answer questions and you do like a survey, and then you also attach, or you can attach your social media accounts to show your impact. And based off of surveys that you do throughout the however many badges, I think they're called, they will see if you're qualified, and then based off those questions, they'll see if you're qualified, and they'll send you products for free. And I received one the other, maybe back in June, end of June. And this is the Surf's Up VoxBox. So in it comes the little pamphlet or the little postcard that tells you, let me see, Surf's Up VoxBox, that tells you everything that's in your box. I'm excited about getting the box, and I opened one thing, so I don't have the packaging, but I will insert a picture of the packaging here. And so I used it once. I'm going to try to use it again because first impression I didn't like it, so I'm going to try again. But this is the COVERGIRL Bombshell Curvaceous by Lash Blast. And the first part, let's see what the card says. The first step, loads on volume, thickens and curls the lashes. And then the second, which is down here, the second step, is a dark intensifying top coat that seals the look for a bold, noticeable lashes. It works like a waterproof formula mascara and has serious lasting power. And when you remove it, they suggest that you use an oil-based makeup remover. So I'm excited to try this again because first impression. And then I received I'm going in order now, Jamba Juice Smoothie Kits. They retail for $2.99 to $3.49, and the Curvaceous Lash ranges from $9.49 to $11.99. So the smoothies, I got a free trial one and then one to save $1. So if I like it, then I can save $1 on it. So I'm excited to try that out. I looked in the store. I keep forgetting to bring them. I guess it's good that I forgot to bring because I need to do this video. But so maybe today after I get off of work, I'll go get one and try it out. And you blend it. So I have to see what juice we have in the fridge. They have a couple flavors on here that I would probably like to try, like the Caribbean Passion. That's one of them that's advertised on the coupon. And we got the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration After Sun Lotion. Okay. I don't know if I'd actually be able to use this. I don't tan. Well, I do tan. Well, you know what I mean. Out in the sun, we get darker. Black people, we get darker. But I don't think I'd necessarily burn. Talking to my husband, he was saying that when we were out somewhere, and he's bald, so his head was burning. It was really hot, so I'll probably end up trying this on him. And it retails for this 2 ounce. I guess this is 2 ounces. This ranges, or it's $2.99, and then the 8 ounce is, yeah, I think this would work best for my husband more than it would me. But if I do end up trying it, I'll let y'all know. And then I got the First Aid Shot Therapy. I don't know if this is by Tylenol but this is $2.99, and it's also called Fast, which is an FDA compliant liquid pain relief shot, which is drinkable. Common uses for this would be for headaches or migraines, sore muscles, back pain, and hangover headaches. So I'll probably be using this because I started working out probably a month ago, and just this week I've started T25. Y'all, doing those planks all right here, all up in here, my shoulders, they're killing me. And I do that in the morning, and then in the evening, me and my husband, we go to walk. So I'll probably be using this. I got a SinfulColors Professional Nail Polish, which retails for $1.99, but at Walgreens, sometimes they have sales, and you can get them for 99 cents. When they did like a preview of the box, I have a lot of SinfulColor nail polishes. So I was really hoping that I didn't get a color that I already have. And this one is Eva So Bright, which is like a, right now it's kind of looking orange, but it's more like a peach coral pink color. I'll insert a picture of it. They're really nice. I like the consistency of them. And I like how the handle is as well. But, yeah. And it's not too thin. I think I did like 2 coats and that was good enough. I didn't put a base coat on because I was my best manis at work. But yeah, that is the VoxBox. Yeah, I received all those for free from Influenster. And I'll leave links to all of these things, I guess, below and where you can find them. So yeah, stay tuned because some of these things I will probably come back and do a review on later. But yeah.